Alright, y'all, so I'm vlogging. I'm about to go in the hair store and grab some grading hair because tonight is tonight, okay, y'all? What today? Tonight, whatever. We about to get it popping. So I always come to this hair store. Like, this is my favorite hair store. When I tell y'all they be having everything, they be having everything in this joint. Like, I really want to make a color wig, period, but I'm off color to the summertime, so I'm just about to do a protective style, and we're about to do some like super long braids in my hair, like real long. Like I'm talking good. I always be talking this, but yeah, I'm trying to figure out if I can find this hair that I had last time. It was like real soft braided hair that I had. And I think that's it right there. The express pack. That's exactly what I need. So we about to do some braids. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. It's time to take my poor baby off. I am not throwing her away. I definitely am washing her and like re-getting her back together, bringing her back to life, okay? So I'm about to go wash my hair and I'm gonna be back. I'm back, y'all. So I just got finished washing my hair. So I'm gonna use 9. I didn't know I bought 9 packs. I thought I got 8. But 9 packs of this braided hair, this African braided hair. This is the express pack of Pink Align 100%. I got 9. I'm probably not gonna use all 9 of them, but you never know. So you never know. All right, so I got all packs of the hair. Just take these and put these back in. And I got next. I am using beeswax and my edge, the comb, the braiding comb. I just brought it under here, and I got these combs too. I always use these for parties. OMG, guys, excuse the BBs back there, okay? I am truly at a stage where as though I was starting over, going natural. I did not have a perm since January of 2020, and there was only one perm that year, so the shrinkage is real, okay? Thank you, guys. Type of heat, especially in the wintertime. Like, I try not to put any heat mat, which is, people say use heat. It's better to do heat in the wintertime, but I don't like to do heat at all, so because I just do braids and wigs. I got my edge control and of course my edge brush for the end. So they are all the products that I am using to braid my hair, and my scissors, and you need scissors. Gotta have scissors. So let's get started. Please don't pay attention to my shrinkage. The shrinkage is real over here, okay? So let's get started, guys. So I'm just gonna take let me put my comb down. I'm gonna take my Wild Growth hair oil, and I'm gonna put it in my top that I'm using my beeswax in. This is just to like add on my hair, the ends of my hair, so my hair won't be so dry. So I'm just gonna take the hair. I'm gonna grip how much I think, how thick I want it to be. I think I want it to be that size. I don't want it to be too small. Knit out. You want to straighten it out. You don't want to be braiding no mess. You don't want to be braiding no mess. So just do that. Okay, so here, guys, right here, I'm just gonna cut the ends of it, and be safe with the scissors, okay? If you're a child, don't play with scissors. This is not for you. And yeah, so let's get started. You feather the ends, you just basically just like stretching the hair. Basically, you're stretching the hair so the ends won't be so straight. The back of the hair, right? It don't really matter. I know people some be like, you can't see the back. I can never braid my hair because I can never see the back. Don't matter. It's the back. It's pretty. Especially when you braid your own hair. Now, if you braid somebody else's hair, then yeah. But it's my hair. Not gonna be perfect back there, but it's gonna be cute. And I can kind of feel like at this point I've been doing my hair for so long, like I can kind of feel like what's a perfect part, if that makes sense. A bit on my hand, a bit on my hair. I'm gonna go back and clean my hair, but it's important that you do make sure your hair is moisturized, especially when you're going natural, because child, you don't want no breakage because your hair is dry. Just when I was younger, my mom kind of told me like use water because water is like easy to like when you're braiding and get the hair wet. I never. It was not. It's just me rolling. Just gonna bring it forward and then beeswax to put at the ends. Okay, back y'all. I had some difficulty, so I had to fix it. So we're gonna just keep bringing down, got it in, and bring it down. And I am the type of person that I'm gonna bring it down right then and there. I'm not gonna go take it, wait, like braid, put it in and like go back. I like to finish with the braid because if you go back, it's more time to me. So let's just get it done. And I move pretty fast braiding them down. It's just getting it done. Okay, y'all, so this is day 2 on the braid and the hair. Last night, I didn't even get this far, so I kind of sort of, as soon as I woke up this morning, like, got to it. And this is going to be a long process because they are, like, long, like, they're really long. So, let's get back to it.